Soluzione is a people-centric company. We believe that happy people make great places. We try to make our office a great place to work where people can be at their best.
Soluzione has been a Microsoft Gold partner for over a decade. We have a team which has deep understanding and expertise in the evolution of Microsoft business applications and cloud platforms. We have helped clients across the globe in varied industry verticals to get the best out of technology. The team is focused on making the overall development experience simpler and outcome-oriented.
We provide good infra and disciplined environment.
We make a real impact in the world.
At Soluzione, winning customers' trust is supreme, and everyone in the team understands that we need to earn it and protect it.
We believe in integrity. We do everything with fairness and honesty.
Positive energy keeps us motivated.
We try to make our office a great place so people can be at their best.
Expertise is not just a combination of knowledge and experience. It's actually the art of making the work together.
Our processes focus on understanding customers' vision and then developing the right solution with latest technologies implementing industry best practices.
We are Soluzione. For us, good is never good enough. We believe in delivering the absolute solutions for your business.